All right, thank you so much for joining me in this lesson, because this is a lesson that I'm continuing to camp on from the Organize Your Pages in Adobe Acrobat. And now we're going to go to the All Tools tab again up here at the top. This time, what we're going to do in this lesson is attempt to make this handwritten document OCR capable. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose Scan and OCR. And I'm going to choose in this file, I want all pages in English. I'm going to go ahead and choose Recognize Text. And it's going to go through, and you're noticing on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, it's actually converting scanned pages to editable text and images. So we're going to see if this works. It's going to take a minute because it's 58 pages. Okay, so now we are done. So we should be able to edit this document or even do a search in here. But what we're going to do is we're going to test the file now and see what happens, because like when you click on certain areas of the screen, check me out. I'm able to highlight some of this stuff in here. If I just click right on the screen, it's trying to highlight certain segments of it. But in some areas, look at I have a cursor. You see that I-beam? Whenever you see the I-beam, it means you can go in here and start selecting text. So in some cases, it is allowing me to select the actual text. In other areas, it's only, I'm selecting that particular part of the image. I am using a MacBook Pro. So I'm going to do Command F. And when I do Command F, what it's going to do is there's going to be a blinking I-beam in the search box top right-hand side of the screen. I'm going to type in cost, because I know I saw that somewhere in the file. Cost. And I'm not seeing anything, okay? All right, so that ain't working. Okay, let's do the one in the front. You see, when I was trying to highlight after and skits, let's just type in after. If I type the word S, notice how it's starting to find some exact matches with the word S, right? So it's starting to show up a little bit. And then if I type in SE, that's coming as 2 SEs in here, okay? So it's going to take a minute for this to actually start to work, okay? So let's try to see what comes up. SE, okay. So there's some things in here working. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this over to the next video. I want you to follow me on over to the next video, because I'm getting ready to show you something that I really love about Microsoft OneNote. Never take it for granted.